Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your turn signal bulbs and your side view mirrors for your Chevy Trailblazer, GMC Envoy, or any other comparable models on the same platform. Should cover all models from 2002 to 2009 that did have the option, and I believe most did. Either you're just changing the bulbs or upgrading to LEDs, this video will definitely help you out, and this is all right now on Nexus Auto. So let's show you what you're going to be looking at here. So you're just going to grab the mirror and you're going to pull it back. And you pull it back and you look under here. There you are. Torx bit. Should be a T10 Torx. And you're going to just pop that one screw out. So let's do that. Alright, so we're just going to go and pull that one screw out, which is right up there. Right down. So that now to get this out, you want to swing it back around. Now I find trying to take it out like this is a little difficult, so I can move it now forward. It seems to give it a lot more leveraging room. Just going to pull down a bit. And then you'll see the bulb right over here. You just twist, and the housing will come right out. It's completely a rubber housing, so be careful. But once you twist it enough, it'll just come right out. And then once out, you just take your bulb and pull that out as well. So I've now put on the hazard lights just to test it, because LED bulbs, especially 194s, are very sensitive to polarity, so you want to make sure you have it the right way, because you may put it one way, you see it works, but if I put it the other way, it doesn't. So put it in and make sure it works. And then you turn off your hazard lights or anything like that, just because you don't want to keep it running the whole time. And then the reverse installation is just reverse, quick and easy. You're just going to take this and line it up. You'll see, if you look, the plugs, they're very specific, so they can only go one way. But this actually goes in like this. And again, it's rubber, so you just got to kind of work it in and then twist. It's on good. And then you're going to just take this back up and put it in and line it up. Everything should line up and clip. And then you got to bring it over and bring it back so you can put that screw back in, which we're going to do right now. Make sure that's lined up, the hole. It's good and tight. And then close it off, you're all done. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave it in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. It may not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments, so make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.